Hi guys, so in today's video we are going to look at the tool dub.co, which I use to shorten URLs and track leaks for my resume and portfolio. As you can see on my screen, my best performing link so far has over 300 clicks and the second best with over 100 clicks. Now by the end of this video, you'll be able to set up your own account, shorten URLs, track clicks, get analytics for any link of your choice for free and without writing a single code. Truth is, you can also use this tool for even more, like tracking sales, creating and managing referral programs, which was recently introduced in their latest version. Now, without wasting a single second, let's get into the first step. So step one is basically where we create an account on dub.co. To do that, simply go to any browser tool you use and type in dub.sh. I've also dropped the link for you in the description below. Right here, as you can see, we are on the landing page for Dub, and right here you can see we have turn clicks into revenue. Dub is the modern link attribution platform for short links, conversion tracking, and affiliate programs, which I just told you was recently introduced. So here you can see short links. You can click on conversion to see what it looks like. You can click on affiliate program to see what the affiliate program looks like, and they have a preview video to show you how it works and how you could approve, I think, applications and payouts for your affiliate programs. Right now we're just going to go ahead and click on the start for free button, and you should be taken to the sign up page. So on the sign up page, you have the create your Dub account, you have your field for your email and the sign up button. You also have two SSO login button. You can either choose to sign up with your email address directly or sign up with Google or GitHub. So for this purpose, I'm just going to go ahead and sign up using my Google account. So you need a Google account for this. If you don't have one, kindly create one for yourself. Here, you just have to select the email you want to use. I've selected mine. Go ahead and select yours too. Once that is done, you can see we have a welcome page, which is very beautiful, by the way. We're just going to click on get started, and on the get started page, you should input your workspace name. Then we have to upload an image. Once you're done uploading your image and you've selected the workspace name, click on the create workspace button. It says the name is already in use. Instead of calling it workspace, let's call it web for Metro. Right here, you can also add your custom domains. I'm going to show you this at the later part of this video, but for now, click on I will do this later. You can also invite your team members to Dub, but we'll click on I will do this later. We don't want to invite anybody right now, so you can give an estimate of your usage. If you want to be creating up to like 50k links per month, I think you can go more than this. And how many clicks like do you get in a month? If it's 1 million, if it's 50k or less, like that. So we can just leave it the default and click on continue. They ask you to choose the plan, but we are going to skip this. We want to use it for free. You can pick a plan later if you want to increase this. So once that is done, you click on get started. Now that we are done with step one, step two is where we dive into the Dub dashboard that we've just created. So right here, you can see the clean intuitive interface. This is your command center. On the left sidebar, you have got your main navigations. You have links, domains, analytics, events, customers, folder tags, and UTME template. The center shows your links overview with real-time click data, and up top there is that big black create link button we will be using next. What I love about this dashboard is how everything is laid out. You can instantly see your total clicks, total performing links, and recent activity. It is designed for both beginners and power users. So whether you're a marketer tracking campaigns or a small business owner sharing your websites, everything you need is right here at your fingertips. Now, step three, this is where the magic happens, creating your first short link. So click that create link button, and you should see an interface where you can put in your link you're trying to shorten. So we're just going to get a link off the internet and paste it in. Once we do that, Dub automatically generates a short link for you. But here is where it gets powerful. You can customize that short link. So we can customize the short link here, edit it to be YouTube video. Now on this same interface, you have folders where you can select what folder you want your link to follow under. Then you also have custom preview. So you can see how the link is going to look on Facebook, LinkedIn, X, and on normal web. And you also get a QR code. You can edit it, set the color you want for your QR code and all. And you also have tags. So you can add tags for your link. For example, since this is YouTube, I can add a tag of YouTube and my tag gets added. I can also add comment. Also, you have UTME params, targeting, password. You can set your password. Also, an expiration time when you want this link to expire. So we're just going to go ahead and click on the create link button. Your link is created successfully. So we have our link here. We can copy this and send it to anybody we want to send it to. And we will be able to see how many clicks it has generated and all. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on this link so I can generate. You go back to your dashboard and you refresh. You should be able to see one click. If I click on it, I should be able to see where my click is coming from, Nigeria and from a desktop. So this is correct. It gives you more insight. It gives you insight on the city to where this is coming from, the region, and also the continent is coming from, the browser type, the OS, and what's triggered that event. So step 4 is basically where we are going to add our custom domain. To do that, head over to your domain name provider and get the domain you would like to add. I already have my domain here on the screen, as you can see, ukpai.blog. So I'm going to go to DOP and also click on domains. You can see the interface for domains. You can click the button here to add domains, or the one that says add custom domain. So anyone is fine. I'm just going to click the button that says add domain, and I'm going to type in ukpai.blog. So it's checking, and once it's done checking, you can see the domain ukpai.blog is ready to connect. So we can click on add domain and our domain should get added. So now our domain is added, but you see we have the invalid status. So clicking on this should open it up. Then you see they recommend that you use a record to configure your domain. So we are just going to head over to our domain name provider, click on advanced DNS, and we want to update the a record here to match basically what we have for our domain. So I'm going to delete this current a record. Actually, delete all the a records that are on this domain. Then click on add new and a record. And if you go back here, we have the @ symbol. So we're just going to do @ as our host. And then the value, you can see the value here. We're just going to copy this and paste in the value. I'm going to leave the TTL as automatic and click on OK. Now our a record has been added. If you go back here and you try to refresh, now you can see it's active. So we've added our custom domain name successfully, which is going to be our primary domain. So next time when you want to create your link, click on the create link button. You should see here you now have short link to be ukpai.blog. So whatever link you're pasting in, let's paste in our Namecheap link. Whatever link you're pasting in now, you can see it's shortened to use the custom domain that we added, ukpai.blog. You can also click on the drop down to select other ones. I think they have free ones like dub.sh, the Amazon ID. If it's an Amazon link, you have the calendar link, you have ChatGPT, you have Figma link, you have like quite a lot. You have Spotify too, and then you have Git. This is how basically you set up your custom domain. If you want more tutorials like this, or if there's anything in particular you want me to talk about, kindly let me know in the comments below and I will do a video about it. And if you're not subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button and also the like button to keep supporting this channel.